Do you know that Starlink's internet has become a critical backup for the Ukrainian people after Russia interrupted the internet service in Ukraine following their invasion? Starlink internet can supply internet in hard-to-reach areas where cell towers and fiber optic cables cannot reach. This video will examine the Starlink speed test of 136 Mbps download speeds amidst Russia invasion. So, let's dive right into it. First, you must know that internet services and social media play a critical role in obtaining information in war-torn places. The enemy frequently attacks the internet as the first means of isolating the opponent from the rest of the world. When internet services were blocked on the eve of the Russian invasion of Ukraine, Vice President Mykhailo contacted Elon Musk and asked for his help. He wrote on Twitter, "Elon Musk, while you try to colonize Mars, Russia tries to occupy Ukraine. While your rockets successfully land from space, Russian rockets attack Ukrainian civil people. We ask you to provide Ukraine with Starlink stations and to address sane Russians to stand." Like a scene from a Hollywood film, Musk moved to activate the Starlink internet throughout Ukraine and promised that more terminals would be dispatched. Starlink service is now active in Ukraine. "More terminals en route," he replied to the Ukraine vice president. Satellite technology has become essential in our world today, just as Elon Musk's Starlink has proven in the Ukraine-Russia war. While it is good that Ukraine has access to the internet, thanks to Elon Musk's Starlink, this feat of Elon Musk has drawn the attention of Russia. It is not an exaggeration to state that Elon Musk's Starlink is in danger of a Russian attack. We will soon discuss the risks Starlink internet could face in Ukraine, so stay tuned. Musk can move cargo when he wants, as evidenced by the Starlink internet dishes that landed in Ukraine in less than 24 hours. In these unique times, this was indeed a logistical feat. According to cable.co.uk, the typical internet download speed in Ukraine is approximately 25 Mbps. On the Dishys V1, a user in Ukraine ran a Starlink speed test and saw a steady speed of 136 Mbps, with a maximum speed of around 200 Mbps. This Starlink speed test result was particularly noteworthy given that they are about 5 times the national average in a combat zone. According to the user, this internet speed test was straight out the window, without any tweaks. If you've been wondering how the Starlink internet was set up in a war zone like Ukraine, then you are at the right place, since we will quickly brief you through how Elon Musk's Starlink works and how the 136 Mbps Starlink speed test was achieved. Furthermore, while this is a positive indicator that the Ukrainians have regained access to the internet, caution should be exercised because the Dishys Signal could be traced by the Russians and used as a missile homing beacon. However, it should be stressed that this demands tremendous technical skill and complete air superiority over Ukraine. As a result, Ukrainian soldiers will already be aware of this. Not all, but some people have queried whether utilizing Starlink internet during a war is safe, claiming that Russian soldiers could attack the dishes. Musk's delivery of assistance was good to see, according to John Scott Railton, a senior researcher at the Citizen Lab, in a broadly circulated Twitter thread, but he cautioned users to be cautious. Russia has decades of experience hitting people by targeting their satellite communications, he said. Do you think Russia can succeed in disrupting Starlink internet in Ukraine? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. In addition, when you plug in the Dishy, it will instantly connect to the closest Starlink satellite in the sky, of which there are more than 2,000. After that, the satellite interacts with the nearest ground station, or gateway, which provides internet access. These gateways can be found worldwide, but they can't be too far away from where an internet connection is needed. Ukraine is privileged in that it has a gateway border crossing with Poland. The internet connection is routed through the gateway, satellite, and terminal. Users need to do nothing more than plug their router into their terminal, and the tech will do the rest. The latency has been a significant issue with past incarnations of satellite internet. Still, because Elon Musk's Starlink's constellation of satellites is a novel technology that operates in low Earth orbit, the delay is quantified in milliseconds rather than seconds. The terminals require a clear view of the sky to function, and there is an app to assist users in finding a suitable location. Oleg Kutkov, a user of Starlink Internet in Ukraine, proved that Starlink had achieved a good internet connection. After capturing an image of his Starlink speed test with evidence of 136 download Mbps, 23.9 upload Mbps, and a ping of 77 milliseconds, he wrote, "Success! SpaceX Starlink working in Kyiv, Ukraine. The Dishy was placed just outside my window, even without adjustment. Thanks SpaceX team for your support." Elon Musk's Starlink is en route to achieving greatness. The fast internet connection he promised to deliver from space has become a reality. We can only anticipate how fast the Starlink speed test will progress in a few years. If you enjoyed watching this video, check out our video on beginner's tips to make Starlink internet faster, and you are sure to love it. Thanks for watching. We will see you soon in the next video.